Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working with this image. And once we finish, we're going to have an image in a whole new location. So let's get started. First off, we need to go ahead and change out the wheels. We started with these wheels here, but we used the warp tool in order to get a different look, which we will see here and here. Now let's start with the other wheels up front. We're going to start off with a base wheel as this. Go into some curves, color balance, and some hue saturation. Use a little bit of brightness and contrast. Hue saturation again. Go in and get another look at the wheels in different shades. Now we can go in and fill in the darkness areas with black. And once we have those done, we can go ahead and move them towards the front. And we're going to place them on the car in front, which is here, as you can see. And this is where we're going to actually change the color again. We're going to select that wheel, and we're going to go to our color grading. Brightness and contrast again, or hue saturation. Let's try hue saturation. Now we have those wheels on the cars. Well, let's get ready to lower them. Just turning off the other wheels right fast. Now we're basically going to make a selection of the actual cars here, and we're just going to copy and paste them in front. And we deselect, lower it down. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one here. Now we need to clear out some of the extra stuff in the background. So what we're gonna do is, I've got this picture here, we're gonna place it in the background. Just come over to our path tool and create a new layer for a path. And we're gonna zoom in. Zoom in some more. Zoom in enough so you can actually see what you're doing. Now we'll start over here. Just gonna take all this out. Scroll over. Basically giving this car a little outline. Well, we actually don't even have to do that. We can just actually go through the basic steps of just wiping the whole background out, because we actually don't even need all this since we have the actual picture we're going to replace. Now all we do is take our image from below, copy it, turn off this layer, press delete, first unclear. We're gonna go in and make an adjustment right quick. colors to get the wheel wells. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna press delete again. Bringing our background layer to the back. We're gonna copy this down and bring it down to the back. Behind the car layer, turn the lights, turn it on. And now, if we want, we could adjust the background to how we like it. Can move this up. Okay, now let's see if we can change the coloring of it a little bit. Just go to our color balance. Okay, looks pretty cool. Let's play a little bit more. Okay, now let's go ahead and fix up this right here. Let's just go back into our main layer, which we had before. Copy this, bring it up above this layer, turn that eyeball on. What we want to do is now basically get these poles here. What we want to do is go to our path tool, click a new path layer. Just going to draw our path out right here. Software is glitching out a little bit right now, but that's okay. And once we have all this selected, we will just delete the rest. Select our inverse and press delete. Control D to deselect. We just want to scale this up. Now that we have our car selected, just save this right quick. Go in and finish up a little bit of detail in the wheel well and see what we have. From here, and we're gonna lower our brush size. Come in, raise up the opacity. And move the layer up. could actually see what was going on. Go back to your path tool, create a new path layer. I'm gonna come in here with the pen tool. Just create a triangle right here and fill it with the black. Select and modify, change it to feather a little bit to 2, fill with the foreground color. Press deselect, zoom out. Go back in, save. Choose a brush tool again. Eraser. Okay. Let's just call this one complete for now. If you go back and check out the first image which we had started with, we're just going to pull it to the top layer here, and you can see this is what we started with. So if you like what you've seen so far, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.